All right, guys, you remember a while back I had to pull this well and change that well pump late one night. Well, I don't know why, but this fitting is leaking. I've got to put another clamp here because when it pressures up, that's dripping a little bit, and it's got this entire floor in here wet. And I just changed this air relief valve not long ago. Now, I mean, it hadn't been, I don't think it's been 90 days ago, and it's leaking already. It's some junk. To make this stuff so cheap. Now, this is just a PVC fitting, though. I can go inside or outside. I'm not sure which way I'm going to go, but I'm going to cut this off. So anyway, let's get started. Get out here and grab what we need here. So I can go inside or outside of that fitting. I'm just going to see which way it looks best. Grab our tools and start cutting. See what we got here. All right. I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off right here and see if I can just tie in right here rather than going too far over. We'll see. You know what? I honestly don't know if I can do that. Now look, guys, I might, oh, that's inside there, isn't it? I might can put some putty on it and reuse the same fitting and not have to. You know what? Those threads look good. I think I'm just going to put some putty on it and see if I can't reapply it and just put a fitting right here. Glue that back together. And that, I'm gonna try that. I always put a cleaner on these PVC things. I don't know why, it seems to kind of soften the pipe, but it cleans it, and when you do this, the glue just seems to stick better. But you want to clean all your joints really good. And so, what I'm going to do first, I think I'm going to put this back on there with some putty. And again, I don't know. I'll tell real quick if this is going to work or not. And if it doesn't, well, you know, I will just get a, I'll just get a different fitting. But I'm gonna put a good bit of putty on there and see if that one would hold. There you go. Get it go in the scrape first of all, before it do any good. Well, guys, it ain't going straight. We may not be using this fitting after all. Yeah, it's not going straight. Let's see. All right. So that's not going to work. We're going to try that, but that's not going to work. I can't seem to get it started straight. There's no issue as far as the threads. The threads are still good. But the issue is can't get this thing started straight. Let's try it one more time. get out. I don't think I can make another wood. Let's see. All right, that may stop that drip. So I got that plumber's putty up in there. So now, let's take this glue here, put it on there. All right, let's see if that's going to fix that leak right there. Now, I've got another clamp to go over here. I'm going to tighten this up because when this pressure's up, it drips a little bit. And like I say, this I can't believe that air relief valve. I mean, it's only 90 days old, is leaking. I think they just make this junk so cheap now. All right, so now what we're going to do, tighten these clamps up a little bit more, and then we're going to put one more clamp on it. Tighten down pretty good. We'll put one more clamp right here, and hopefully that will seal that off. Okay, guys, that should have it. Now, I don't know for a fact, but that should have it. Okay, so what we did, we actually just unscrewed this fitting, and the threads were good, so I cut this here. I put a lot of plumber's putty on it, and I cleaned this, cut it, and put a union here. I put another clamp over here for 3 clamps, so when that well pressures up, it had a drip there. So hopefully that's these 2 drips, and then I'm probably gonna have to come back and change this air relief valve one more time, unfortunately. And then this floor is dripping in here. Hopefully it'll stop. I can't stand a leak. Even though this is all cement and a little brick building, we don't want it leaking. I'll go ahead and put all these tools back up. And that's going to wrap it up. But you know, guys, when you have your own water well in your own place, it's just maintenance, it's work. Of course, we don't have a monthly water bill, but we did have the expense of drilling a well 20-something years ago. This held up well. We probably put in 4 pumps since then, but we use it as a geothermal system too, so it goes through a pump probably twice as fast as just if you was using it for potable water. And we use it for potable water also. Anyway, guys, we're going to get this stuff put up, and over and out.